Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you guys facing issues to download Venmo app on your iPhone devices? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open App Store on your iPhone device. Once you open the App Store, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see the option for search. Tap on that search button. Now click on search bar and search for Venmo. Once you search for Venmo, click on the first option. Once you click on it, you can see the download option over here. Just simply tap on the download option. After you click on it, your app will start to download. So as you guys can see, Venmo app has been downloaded on our mobile device. Just simply tap on it to open. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna download Venmo app on your mobile or iPhone devices. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.